The Nokia One is a nice with a lot of decent features. The budget-friendly device supports VoLTE connectivity, that means you can browse the internet at a lightning-fast speed. Furthermore, the battery backup is excellent for daily use. The processor is decent and the capacity of RAM is considerably less. Overall, if you are looking for a decent smartphone of a premium brand, then you can go for the Nokia One. Display and configuration. The Nokia One features a 5-inch IPS LCD HD display with a screen resolution of 720 by 1280 pixels, which translates into a pixel density of 294 ppi. Coming to the performance, the smartphone is equipped with a 1.2 GHz quad-core processor which acts as a brain of the system. For managing the system, the processor is aided by a 1 GB RAM that makes the smartphone good for simple multitasking. The smartphone comes with a shiny black-colored body. It runs on Android v8.0 Oreo operating system. Connectivity and battery. The Nokia One offers a lot of connectivity options such as 4G with VoLTE, micro USB, Bluetooth, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth and GPS. Acting as a stamina provider of the system, a 4,100 mAh Li-ion battery is present, which renders a great amount of battery backup. You can expect the device to run for all day long on one charge in spite of heavy internet browsing. Camera and storage. The Nokia One is armed with an 8MP primary camera and assisted with some excellent features, like high dynamic range mode and autofocus. You can capture images of 3264 by 2448 pixels resolution and also can record quality videos with the help of the rear-facing camera. To fulfill the selfie needs, the smartphone is stacked with a 5MP front shooter. As far as storage is concerned, the device houses an 8 GB internal storage which can be increased up to 64 GB by using a memory card.